Apple has traditionally not included a physical camera button on iPhone 16e, but here's the trick to open the camera using the Action button, or use software-based camera controls accessible through the device's touchscreen interface like non-camera button iPhone. Users can use the volume buttons to snap photos when the camera app is active, which serves as an alternative to a dedicated camera button. To customize this Action button for camera, open the Settings app on iPhone. Scroll to Action button. Swipe to the left and set the camera as the Action button. Select camera mode from the options like Open Photo, Selfie, View, Portrait. These are the options. I set it up for photo. Now, when I press and hold for a while, the camera is open without touching the screen. Use the volume button to capture a photo or start a video recording. Like this. If you found something helpful and fixed it, don't miss to share it with everyone. Thumbs up for support and comment below for any questions.